And it's been long, I believe. No, it's been like 2 months. Okay, so Harshita's there.
Hi, I'm great. I'm great. How are you? Yeah, I think connection. Can you see me properly? Then it's perfectly fine because I think the Wi-Fi was not working. I connected to the mobile network. So how are you? Yeah. Yeah. So, hi everyone, this is Harshita, and I have today Radha as my guest on the Current Talk. And I live in Delhi. I work as an anchor, actor, and model. And today I'll be interviewing her, which you cannot exactly call the interview, but it's going to be a fun session in which we are going to do some off the beat talks, which are not related to the regular interviews. So, are you ready for it? You're welcome. Thanks to you for coming, for taking out time for this. So, first, tell me, how's your quarantine going? So, among all the things you do, which of the things is your favorite, most favorite thing to do in quarantine? So, what is the recent one you have read? Okay. 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 That's nice, yeah, that's nice. I think quarantine में सबसे best अगर हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, so we could like convert ourselves to the books because we can obviously gain knowledge and keep ourselves busy. Hi, Nimisha. Happy birthday to you. And a lot of my friends are here. Ganesh is saying hi. Hi, Ganesh. He's a very great stylist. I think you might have met Ganesh. Yeah. And Nimisha, Shubham, जितने भी लोग हमें देख रहे हैं उन सबको एक बहुत बड़ा hi. Thank you for coming and joining. So, Radha, what is the first place you would go right after the lockdown ends? मतलब कहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा excited हो जाने के लिए lockdown खत्म होते ही यहाँ जाना है? Okay. Yeah. So अभी current में where are you? Okay, okay, okay. That's perfect. So, okay. So we know about your job. Like you're an actor, you work as a model, you do a lot of things, a lot of freelancing stuff, and a lot of things. So this is what you do, or do you have any other hobbies which we don't know about? Okay. Oh, That's nice. So how do you, because you have learned baking, so you must have been intaking a lot of calories and all. So how do you manage to stay fit in quarantine? Okay. Huh. Oh, that's wow. It really sounds mouth watering. It's mouth watering. Exactly, exactly. So, अभी as you know कि lockdown चल रहा है and a lot of new artists are there facing a lot of problems in managing their finances and getting work. So, what do you recommend to those artists कि क्या करना चाहिए? कैसे how can they keep themselves in place during the lockdown? Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. But staying positive even advice I think everyone needs these days. We really need this one, like stay positive because you know this is the root solution to everything that's happening out there. Exactly. So are there क्योंकि अभी लॉकडाउन हो गया अभी बहुत सारा काम रुक गया है so कुछ ऐसे अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिसमें we are gonna see you or like something you're working on. That's exactly. So abhi tak out of all the characters you have played, which of them is the closest to your heart, which you relate to or you really love it? Yeah, different. Yeah, yeah, Wow. Okay, because you have played really well characters and really good, and you have, you have shown a lot of variety, and that too in TV, TV serial, because we hardly expect TV actors to be that variant, and you have shown us a lot of variety in your projects, in your TV projects, and which is very good. And I would like to, like you set an example for all the actors out there that who say कि यार टीवी में नहीं है कुछ, but you have shown us that there's a lot in TV and we can even explore in TV, and that's great. So yesterday one of my friend was asking me that TV के मतलब he is also a very good actor. He has worked in Kota Factory. He has worked in Flames. Yeah. So he was asking me that where can we give auditions for TV? Like actors don't get to know about the auditions. So how can we find the auditions or like approach the people? Can you tell us something about it? That's nice. So basically, this is what every actor has been doing. But this is the stigma they have. Nahi, yaar, there must be something I'm not aware of. So now I'll answer them all. Because it is no different. You find the updates and you send your profiles, and that's how you get selected, or either recommendations. So the motto is never stop trying, at least. So, okay, do you think theater is necessary for an actor? Doing theater is necessary for an actor, because I know there are like if we take the 50-50% of the industry, so 50% of them are theater actors and 50% of them are not. But we know all of them. So, is theater necessary for an actor, according to you? Okay, okay, exactly. Okay. So for like, have you done theater? And if yes, then for how long? Okay. Exactly. So what is that one actor and actress you really, really want to work with? Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. I think she is one of those actresses without any haters. All the fans all over the globe. Like even today morning, I was watching a clip of hers and it was great. So, as you're an actress yourself, you must have been watching cinema and different sort of stuff. So, out of all the films or web series or anything you have seen, कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर है जो आपको लगा हो कि ये कैरेक्टर मुझे करना चाहिए था या ये मैं करना चाहती हूँ, मैं इसे और अच्छा कर सकती हूँ, आई कैन एक्सप्लोर अ लॉट एंड ऐसा कुछ करना है मुझे, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. I have heard about it, but I haven't seen it. Yeah. Okay. It's Gone Girl. Okay. I'll definitely watch it. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Exactly. हाँ, हाँ। Vishali is asking, what is your favorite Hindi movie? Okay. A lot of people like that movie, and I think मैंने भी मतलब देखी थी तो मुझे भी अच्छी लगी, एंड इट्स गुड। काफी मतलब कूल कूल वाइब्स है मूवी की। हाँ, बेसिक वे। दैट्स That's nice. I think we need to learn this. Everybody needs to learn this because कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं कि जो काम को लेके बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हैं, and they are willing, मतलब not exactly willing, but they are rushing because they are in need of money or the other things. So we should tell them that safety comes first, obviously, because basically whatever makes you feel relaxed by the end of the day, you can follow that. So here, D.A. Rocks has written a very interesting question for you. That how do you feel about the role of Svetlana? Were you scared of what people will think of you, or were you confident? I love your acting, by the way. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. That we have, actors have been always taught the more hate a negative character gets, the more justice you did to the character. That's nice. Nice. Exactly. So before we move on to the end of the program, I have a small game for you. Okay? और जितने भी लोग हमें देख रहे हैं लाइव, मैं आप सबको बता दूं कि यू हैव टू हेल्प हर। मतलब कुछ आंसर्स देने हैं तो आप लोग, आप में से जितने भी लोग राधा की हेल्प कर सकते हो, सो हेल्प हर आउट। आंसर्स आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना एंड वी आर गोना रीड इट। सो द गेम इज आई एम गोना टेल यू टू थिंग्स, और उन दोनों चीजों का आंसर एक ही होगा। मतलब two questions and one answer. You just have to relate it. Yeah, answer उसका एक ही होगा. You'll understand when I'm gonna ask my first question. So first question is, yeah, I think everybody is listening to us. और अगर आपने हमें सुन लिया है, अब आपको पता चल गया है कि आपको राधा की हेल्प करनी है, so just write a yes or something so that we could know that you are ready to help. And Vishali is ready, and और भी जितने भी लोग हैं लाइव पे, आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम आर रेडी. सो आई विल स्टार्ट विद माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वील गो स्लो एंड लेट्स सी हाउ द पीपल आर रिस्पोंडिंग. एंड यू, so what is the name of a pencil brand that is also the Lord of Dance? Ah, you're so quick. Oh my God, Radha, this is the quickest. I would clap to you because you're the quicker one to answer this question. Nobody has answered it this quick. Yeah. So Natraj is the right answer. Very well. So next one is something that is a famous monument and also a tea brand. A tea brand. Yeah, yeah, right, right, right. So the third one is what is a type of clothing company and also a fuel? Yeah, come on, you can do it. Audience, help her. What is a clothing brand company and also a kind of fuel? Yeah. Yeah, राइट दैट जिगजल और सार्थक ने भी आंसर दिया है सार्थक सारंगी ने आंसर दिया है साथ ही में जिगजल वेरी राइट सार्थक so the next one is what is the name of a bulb company and also our source of energy so, my god Rana, you are so quick दैट्स नाइस यार सूर्या तो मतलब गेस करने में लोगों को बहुत टाइम लगा बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी सेज व्हाट इज इट नोबडी रिमेंबर्स द नेम इट्स इन हिंदी कॉल्ड सूर्या नाइस यार राइट सो नेक्स्ट वन इज ओके इट्स वेरी इजी you're gonna answer it before I speak it's a mobile brand and also a fruit yeah oh my god this one is too easy right answer जमाल राव ने भी आंसर किया है एंड ऑन्जरीला yeah, black. Oh, right. I've never thought of this one. so, uh, okay. So this is gonna be my last question, and it's a different question. The game is over. The last question, you have to quickly name two words rhyming with quarantine. Yeah. Okay. So, दोस्तों help करो राधा की. Help her find out two words that rhyme with quarantine. Mortine, wow. I must say people are really creative out there. Yeah. So we have routine and Mortine. हमें कुछ और we need two more words. Let's see how creative our people can get today. Yeah, definitely. फिर तो पूरा या पूरा हो जाएगा तो 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So many things. Valentine. Wow. That's nice. Nice, yeah. Mm. Like we were really enjoying it, so we extended the words kind because the manyer the brains, the more creativity we can get. Exactly. Wow, that's wonderful. So I'll quickly begin to the last, quickly move to the last question of the day, which is what is that one thing or one person or anything that inspires you the most to be what you are today? And yeah, wow, that's nice. That's so sweet. And I think mothers are the backbones. And that is why mothers are called gods because, they are actually the gods. Yeah, that's nice. So thank you so much, Radha. I really enjoyed the session and I hope to look forward from you and some more live sessions if we ever could do it. Thank you so much. No, I just want to wish you to have a happy quarantine and enjoy the most and live your life the way you live. And we love your work. We totally love your work and everything you do. All the best for everything. Bye bye. Take care.
आगे बुआ इतना इसने बुआ पास जाना बुआ पास जाना क्या हुआ मैंने मिस कर रही थी बुआ को हाँ बुआ पास नहीं जाना तो फिर भेज ही देते हैं शोर तुम चाहती नहीं है अच्छा लेकिन मैंने लॉग भी तो कर दिया था नहीं कह रही मैं खाली देखूंगी फोन पे नहीं देखा मनर ने मैं दिखाया इसको फोन हाँ फिर मैंने दिखाया तो फिर बोल रही है फिर बोल रही है कि ये कौन है जिसके साथ बात कर रही है हाँ हाँ फिर मैंने बताया क्यों कर रही है फिर मैंने ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन जवाब नहीं दिया मैंने कहा तुम यूट्यूब देख लो अच्छा अगर चलाऊंगी ना ज़्यादा तो फिर कहीं तुम्हारा नहीं वो तो नेटवर्क ना तुम्हारा भी वो तो मनहर की बुआ है हाँ अच्छा लग रहा है
देखो कृष्णा देखो
जय श्री कृष्णा
नहीं कैसे कृष्णा नहीं
तो
इस नहीं कृष्णा
तो क्या बोलते हैं हरे कृष्णा
नहीं कृष्णा
नहीं ओनली कृष्णा नहीं बोलते ऐसे बोलते हैं श्री कृष्णा
नहीं कृष्णा
सुनो तो मेरी बात तो सुनो गॉड बड़े हैं ना बड़े
और बड़े लोगों का हम ऐसे नाम नहीं लेते।
कपड़ा थल्ले लाऊंगी कोई है थल्ले ओए अस्ते ही तो कहण नहीं आ ओ मंगाना पैना ना हाँ मंगाना फिर जे तो मिल गया ठीक है तो फिर डाई करवाना पैना
देखा कृष्णा जैसे
लो मैंने ट्राई करके देख लो प्लीज पा के देखना है वो आपको पहन के दिखा दो
हाँ लाओ देखें मना के ऊपर कैसा